What have I done? Give me a penal code.
Well, I've seen you up against police cars trying to film them. I don't know that you broke into them.
Is that public property?
No. A police car is not public property.
Excuse me, who pays for that police car?
I do with my taxpayers' money.
So do I with my taxpayers.
Well, you're not alone.
So that means that's public property.
All right.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host Peeps, and in today's video, cops harass citizens for recording in public even though it's a constitutional right. The First Amendment protects the right to photograph anything in plain view in public spaces, including police and government facilities. This is considered a form of public oversight of our government and can't be deemed suspicious or criminal. Police cannot turn a constitutionally protected right into a crime, but these cops in the following clips are either uninformed or just plainly do not care about our rights or the oath they swore to protect. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Leave a comment and a like to help push this video out there for others to enjoy. As always, I will leave the link to all original videos in the description, so don't forget to visit their channels and show them your support. Now let's get into the video.
What are you up to today?
Just taking photos.
Okay. You got an ID on you?
Did I commit a crime?
Potentially.
What crime did I commit?
I don't know. Are you trespassing from the law enforcement center?
Trespassing. How can you trespass on public property?
That's easy. Can I have your ID?
No. How can I be trespassed on public property?
Walk up here with me.
No, sir. Can you articulate a crime that I've committed?
I don't have to articulate that to get your ID.
Yes, you do. Yes. This is not a stop and ID state.
That doesn't mean anything.
Yes, it does.
Okay. Are you going to give me your ID or not?
No, sir.
Okay.
I need to talk to a superior if you're going to keep this up.
You can talk to a superior all you want.
I sure can. Because this is not a stop.
I just told you you could.
This is public property, is it not?
Sure.
Okay. I have not went in no restricted areas.
Look.
I went right up to that sign that says...
We don't have to turn this into anything big.
We don't.
Give me your ID or not?
No.
You're going around the law enforcement center in police cars filming, which is very suspicious.
Is some suspicion of felony or misdemeanor?
Neither one.
Okay. I have no reason to have to ID.
Well, if I have suspicions that you're committing a crime, I can identify you.
What is the suspicion?
Like I said, there's a number of criminal offenses you could be
what have you seen?
Right now.
What have I done? Give me a penal code.
Well, I've seen you up against police cars trying to film them. I don't know that you broke into them.
Is that public property?
No. A police car is not public property.
Excuse me, who pays for that police car?
I do with my taxpayers' money.
So do I with my taxpayers.
Well, you're not alone.
So that means that's public property.
All right, I'm going to take this knife off of you.
No, you're not, sir. That's seizure. That's illegal seizure. I do not consent to no search or seizures.
We're going to put it right there.
Have I reached for it?
Well, I'm allowed to take a knife off of you.
That is a legal search. That's a legal seizure.
Right. So are you going to identify yourself or not?
No, sir.
Okay.
I have no reason to.
Grand Out 35, can you put me out with a 1088 in front of 20 McGee, please?
I am on public property. I have a right. This is a First Amendment protected activity.
Is there a 1041 Charlie, either the city or county, that can be 10-5?
This is a First Amendment protected activity.
Okay, and that might be fine, but I just want to make sure that you are not committing.
And that is going to, that you trying to ID me.
Thank you.
Is going against my Fourth Amendment.
That's not true at all.
Yes, it is.
Being able
until
to is not
until you can articulate a crime I have committed, you have no right to ID me.
That's not true at all.
Yes, it is.
I articulated a couple of crimes.
No, you didn't.
Could have possibly
give me a penal
committed.
code. Did you go check the cars out to see if I broke into any of them?
Thank you.
Did you go investigate that?
No, because I've had people walking up to me saying, "Hey, there's a super suspicious guy walking around the whole."
Is suspicion a felony or a misdemeanor?
Look, I'm not going to answer your silly questions, okay?
It's not a silly question. It is a true question. Is it a felony or a misdemeanor?
We both know the answer to that.
Is it a felony or a misdemeanor? I want to hear it out of your mouth. Are you recording me at the moment?
I am.
Thank you. Good.
If your arm gets tired, you can just get mine.
No, I'm good.
All right.
24, still 24.
All right. We're going to wait till my backup gets here, and then we'll...
That's fine. I would actually like to speak to a sergeant.
That's well.
Or someone over you.
You can call the non-emergency.
No, I am requesting you to...
You cut out.
Have a superior come out here. Someone higher than you.
Well,
someone who actually knows the law.
If you want to request that, you can call in and have them come.
So you are denying my right of requesting a superior?
Not at all. I said you can call and request.
That's what it sounds like.
I'm not going to call one myself. You.
That's what you're a civil servant. I'm the public. I am asking you.
All right. And like I said, you can talk to a sergeant all you want. You just have to call in and talk to him on the phone because he's not here.
You got to have a boss that's here.
Sure don't.
No boss. Nobody is over you.
Nope.
If you up right now, nobody is over you to discipline you.
Here. I told you that. You can call him on the phone. I
Okay.
gave you permission to call him on the phone.
I don't need your permission.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Am I being detained?
Yes.
For what crime?
I have reasonable suspicion that you're committing a crime. And
You can't use that. What crime have I done? Give me a crime.
I don't have a crime.
Well, then you don't. It's an illegal detainment.
All right. Just stay over there for 1 second.
I don't have to.
Stay over there, please.
No, sir. I have not committed no crime. I am on public property recording. Can I have a name, badge number, please?
4379.
Thank you. What crime have I committed? This is public property. Just like you trying to tell me this is not public property. Taxpayers pay for this just like they pay for this.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's public property. I have a right to record this. I have a right to record anything inside there. I have not went into a vehicle. I have not touched a vehicle. You've got cameras all over this building.
None of these cameras work. This building was built in the 1940s.
That's a good thing to tell the public.
Well,
You are doing great at your job.
How do I know you're not on trespass notice from the law enforcement center or the back lot?
I never went in the back lot. I went to that sign. I have it on video. And if you want to see it, it will be
You were
posted up.
walking through that breezeway, so you were in the back lot.
No, that sign back there. Go read that sign.
I saw you walking.
He's watching me. He's watching me. Go around that corner and read that sign. I'm pretty sure you'll park back there. So you
It says no public that way.
No.
It does.
Law enforcement center employees only. That
It says
sign.
no public that way.
That
Are
sign.
you the public?
Go read that sign.
All right, ID me. Let me
Go
see your ID
read
so I
that
can
sign.
see
No,
you're not
sir.
trespassing
No,
notice
sir.
back there.
No, sir.
I'm not going to go read the sign. I know it says no
It
public.
says
past
no
this point.
Exactly.
So how do I know you're not trespassing?
I went. Sign was here. I did not. I never passed that sign. Never
So
passed
you're not
it.
going to let me ID you?
No, sir. You have no reason. Give me a crime that I committed.
You probably trespassed back there.
Probably.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Probably. Is probably a
Are we
crime.
done here?
I am. I'm happy I am. As long as it ain't on the back lot.
Is probably a crime. Is that your personal phone before you take a picture?
Not taking a picture.
I was waiting on it though. Oh, that's all right. I will foil that.
That's fine.
Can I get your
It's
name,
all
badge number,
public
sir?
info.
Vegas.
Badge number?
1725.
Thank you.
All right, you have a great day, sir. Don't forget your knife.
How about you go get it? You're the one who illegally pulled it off of me.
Illegally search and seizures. You got it. Have a great day. All right, try not to bother anybody.
You don't always have to show your ID to the police. Here's why. If you know you haven't committed a crime, you generally have the right to refuse to show your ID. The magic words here are reasonable articulable suspicion. This means the police need solid facts to believe a crime has happened, is happening, or will happen. No suspicion, no ID. Simple as that.
How we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Deputy Elders.
What can I do for you?
Well, I think they called 911 on me.
Okay, well, who are you? Why don't you tell me that?
Who am I? I'm a good citizen.
Okay.
I don't want to impede
Well, who
them.
are you? That's
What do you mean,
all
who
I'm
am I?
asking. Who are you? Who do you work for? What are you doing up here recording?
Well, it's my right as an American, as a free American. Am
Sir?
I breaking the law?
Sir, I'm asking you, have they asked you to leave from inside?
No, they haven't.
Okay.
They don't have any reason to ask me to leave.
Okay. Well, they can. They don't have
You
to have
think
a
so?
reason. They don't have to have a reason.
You think so?
Sir,
this is
give me a space.
This is federal property.
Give me a space.
Sure, yeah, 6 feet.
Yeah.
The rules are right there.
I want 18.
You want 18? All right, I'll give you 18.
Sir, outside. Outside.
Am I being detained?
Sir, I'm asking you outside.
Am I being detained?
Sir, they do not want you here and you don't.
I am following all the rules I'm not breaking any law, deputy. Am I being detained?
Sir, I've asked you to step outside.
You're being a
I've asked you
little.
to step outside.
I think you can be a little
Sir,
nicer.
I've asked you to step outside nicely. You're being detained.
I'm being
Step
detained.
outside.
Very good. So I'm being detained. All right, she's calling for backup. I am being detained by this fine deputy. GC 80440.
Sir, do you have your ID on you?
For what?
Do you have your ID on you?
For what?
Okay. All right.
Am I committing a crime?
No, sir, but you are being placed on trespassing.
Oh, really?
Get off of their property. Yes, sir.
They haven't told me to leave.
Sir.
Can we get your supervisor out here? I'm asking for your supervisor. I'm asking for your supervisor.
I'm asking you to get over there on the sidewalk.
I'm asking you for your
I'm
supervisor.
asking for you to get over there on the sidewalk. Thank you.
Is your supervisor available?
Do I have a supervisor that's available that can head to 8505 to Knox Road, please? You're placed on no trespass notice.
How can I be on trespass if you're not giving me an opportunity to leave?
Sir, they've asked for you to be placed on it, and I'm placing you on
They don't know their rules, and you don't know the
Sir.
law. Hey, sir, you her supervisor?
I am a supervisor.
All right, how you doing?
All right, yourself.
Oh, you got a stripe? How you doing, Hardy?
Yes, sir. I'm Corporal Hardy. How can I help you?
Corporal Hardy, nice to see you. I came in here to take some photographs for news purposes,
Yes, sir.
and nobody asked me to leave.
Okay.
This deputy doesn't know the law, and I'm
Okay.
hoping you do. This is owned by the federal government. This is federal property, United States Post Office. This is a public area. Inside is a public lobby. Okay, so the branch manager stepped out, and she thought there was a sign on the door that said no photographing.
Okay.
And I stepped out and looked at all the signs. There are no signs saying no photographing. There is a poster 7 in here that gives the rules and regulations about photography and the conduct on postal property. I'll be glad to show it to you.
Okay.
And it allows me to do what I'm doing. Not only that, DHS memo came out that says photographs on all federal property, inside and outside in publicly accessible areas, is lawful activity.
Yes, sir.
And not to mention the First Amendment
Okay.
to the Constitution, and I'm here exercising my right to the First Amendment, and the branch manager doesn't know her own rules and regulations, and she doesn't know the law.
Okay. So did they actually leave, sir?
No, they didn't.
They never actually leave.
No, and
So
they
if I
don't
go
have-
after that deputy in there right now. They want you to leave. Are you gonna leave, sir?
Okay, well, let me follow up.
No, you got. Are you were done or you weren't done?
No, I wasn't.
Finish,
done.
finish,
Okay,
finish,
they have no reason to ask me to leave because I'm not breaking any of their rules or regulations.
Okay, but they do have the right to refuse your service, sir. So basically, well, I'm
That's
asking a question
fine.
before we go on there. If they go in there and ask them, they want you to leave, will you be willing to leave? If they,
Okay.
1 minute,
If-
if they say that, if she go in there and say they verify, they want you to leave at this point, will you leave the location? sir?
Absolutely. If you
Okay.
tell me to leave, I will leave because I respect you. I respect the deputy.
They don't want him back here.
Okay.
I've already went inside and made contact with
But
him.
just double check. Double check. You have any idea, sir? They do want
No,
you on
sir.
trespass for
Okay.
location.
Well, that's unlawful.
No, so basically what you did, so basically they want you to leave. I'm gonna go verify.
Okay.
But once you leave, and you're
But
going
the-
back and forth, and that causes disturbance. So that's breach
No,
of peace, sir.
no,
That's
sir.
against the
I
law.
now calls no.
Well,
I've got
basically,
it.
that's
I've got it recorded.
Okay,
right
that's
here.
what I'm going to verify. But if
Well,
that's
see-
the case, you did basically start peace. That's breach of peace. That is a crime, sir.
Okay.
And I do need your ID for it.
Okay, now I understand that what they're telling you,
Yes, sir.
and I did not create any disturbance.
Are you able to wind it back so I can see?
Oh yeah, I've got you're
I'll
on
take a
live
look.
right here. I got a body cam here.
I'll take a
and
look,
I'm
sir. You said
recording
you
here.
called service. I'll take a
Well,
look.
I don't have to prove anything because I'm not.
Well, basically, I have your word is the word, and then basically they're saying
Okay.
you're causing disturbance, and it's, I'm assuming it's multiple in there because you said the branch matter came out, so it's multiple witnesses in there
She's-
saying you were causing disturbance. So I said that's consistent with
Her-
breach of peace, sir, and I'm asking for your ID because that is a crime in South Carolina.
Okay, but I did not commit a crime.
I'm telling you did. I'm telling you, you
Okay.
started the peace,
All
sir.
right.
You started a data or operation of business.
No,
that is a crime in
there-
South Carolina. That's called breach of peace. I need your ID.
Lying to 911 is also against the
Yes,
law.
yes, it is, sir. But I had to verify that from you saying you have video. So I'm asking to verify your part. You saying that they're lying about what they call disturbance. So are you able to give me your ID so I can do what I have to do?
Is this a stop and ID state?
Huh? This is stop an ID state. Sir, I'm saying you're basically committing a crime, or breach of peace,
No, I'm
third
not.
peace. I'm telling you, that's where they're saying you're disturbing
Well,
peace,
they
sir.
can say whatever they want, but
Okay,
I'm not committing a crime.
I'm investigating that. I'm
Okay,
detaining you for
understand
basically
that.
investigating that. So basically, I had a right to ask for your ID, and I'm asking for your ID for a breach of peace, sir. So I
Okay.
need your ID.
Okay.
You about, so,
Do y'all understand?
are you refusing to identify
Can
who
I-
you are? Are
can
you
I get
refusing to
you-
identify who you are?
No,
sir?
I'm not. I
Okay,
don't have
so
anything to
I need
hide.
your,
I'm
I
not
need your
a
name,
criminal.
sir. If you're not
I'm
refusing,
not a criminal. I don't break
if
the
you're
law.
not refusing, sir, I need your ID.
Can we get your supervisor out here?
No, this
Can
is
we
what
get a sergeant, please?
No, you're gonna
Can we
deal
get a
with
sergeant?
me.
6 feet, sir.
Sir.
6 feet.
We-
6 feet.
Now 6 feet, sir.
She
We were
wants
standing
18.
this the whole time we were talking.
All right.
Now it's 6 feet, sir.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Good.
I'm gonna get out of the sun here. Okay.
No, I need your ID, sir.
Is this a sergeant?
No, this is my captain.
Oh, hey. How you doing, Captain?
Hello.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again. How you doing?
Pretty good. This,
Shake your hand.
Yeah.
How are you?
Captain, I just want to say that you're one
What
of the
is
best
up?
captains I've ran into.
That's okay. That's okay. Appreciate
But,
it.
So
I
what's
walk,
going on?
okay,
So
well,
basically, they want more trespassing. He's basically, I told him, he's
Oh.
basically got called totally disturbing peace. I'm asking for his identification. I told him he's undetained. He refused to identify who he is to give his identification, so they need to pay for trespass.
Captain, I'm not breaking any law. I came in here, I didn't disturb anybody. I came in here and I was recording the greeting cards, and I wasn't even aiming it at the employees or the customers at that time. And the branch manager came out and said, wanted to know who I was. She wouldn't identify herself. She wanted to know who I was with. I said I'm with myself, and she thought that the rules were on her door that said no photography. And I went and I looked. I said, man, there's no rules. There's a poster 7 in here that allows photographs for news purposes in entrances, lobbies, foyers, and corridors, and that's where I've been. I haven't been in any restricted areas. I am completely following the law, and I'm following post office rules and regulations. But as we all know, the post office, they don't know their rules like they should know them. So I'm here to kind of educate them that what I'm doing is lawful. I'm not creating any disturbance. Holding a camera does not create a disturbance. I understand you got called here.
So that's not creating disturbance, sir?
He rolled up code 3 because elders. Captain, am I being detained, Captain?
Nope. I just want to talk.
Elders has got me detained.
You are detained.
I told you informing you.
Well, right now, you and I are talking.
Okay.
Good. All right. So, all right. How much longer do you plan on?
Well, they're closing up at 5 o'clock, you know. And I really expected, I went downtown to the post office, walked all through there, 3 cameras rolling, nobody said a word. I didn't create any disturbance. The postal inspector was there.
Yeah.
He saw what I was.
Did you talk to the postal?
Not that day, but I had previous phone conversations with him, and he kind of told me what's allowed and what they don't like. They don't like being filmed over the counter line.
Yeah.
And I tried to tell him that
that's
you
a
can't
little-
trespass your eyes, what you can see from public spaces. But I'm not here to get anybody's information. I'm not here to create a disturbance. I'm here to make sure these employees know their rules and the Richland County deputies know the law, and these two don't know the law. They think this is a stop and ID state. Elders thinks you can trespass people from public property, and the trespassing statute that has been affirmed by the South Carolina Supreme Court says the trespassing statute is only for private property. This is not their living room. They don't own this building.
I understand. I know where you're coming from. I understand that part.
So they're trying to issue me a trespass. He's trying to arrest me for disorderly conduct. Breach of peace. And I'm not breaching any peace. I didn't even have a conversation with any customers. So there's no customer in here.
You haven't intercepted the flow of business.
Not at all. Not at all. In fact, they're not even that busy. They never asked me to leave either.
Okay.
They always started that when the elders walked in there.
It's closed, so they're asking you to leave the premises now that it's closed.
I'll accept that. But if you're going to try to issue me a trespass, that's going to be a violation of my civil rights.
Well, sir, if you have a good lawyer, sir, you can sue, sir. If that's the violation of your right, you can sue, sir. That's
Is that
your
what
right.
you want me to do?
All right. So this is what we're going to do.
Okay. I just want to film in public.
I get your point. And I'll take care of this issue. I understand. I know your points of law, and I get it. I understand it. So now the place is over. It's closed. And this is a public domain. You could be in the parking lot.
I would have left if she hadn't detained me. Because
Well, she's not detaining you,
okay.
or at least not anymore.
I did not expect this. I really did not. I expected them to know the law a little better.
Sir, regardless, sir, This is I understand what you're doing, sir.
Yes, sir.
But this is a very busy area, sir. But a deputy had to come out here and I understand you're trying to do this for you, right?
Well,
But
she
deputy
shouldn't have called back.
I'll let you speak, sir. Let me listen.
Okay,
to me,
go
sir.
ahead.
I understand that, sir. But it's a very busy area, sir. We deal with shooting.
I understand that.
This guy seen somebody with mental health deal with a gun, and deputy had to stop what they're doing to come deal with you with this, sir.
Well, let's take that up with the manager and.
You've done this multiple times, sir. This is not the first time you've done this. Obviously, it's not the first time you've done this, sir.
No, it's not.
You're wasting taking away from resources by what you're doing.
I'm not.
He's correct.
I'm not going to be committing any
You take
crime. I
away from
promise you,
resources, sir.
Captain. I'm not committing any crime.
This is the reality of policing in America, folks. The Fourth Amendment guarantees you the right to be secure in your person, papers, and effects. No crime, no ID. It's that simple.
How you doing, man?
I'm all right, brother. What's your name?
Captain Moses, how you doing?
I'm all right.
You videoing around the building?
I am.
Videoing the building?
I am.
What, can I see some ID?
You cannot.
Why?
Because, well, wait, you're you're the first, I want y'all to see this, the Diversified Detection Corporation.
Don't put me on no camera.
I'm going to. So your jurisdiction
Stand fast.
stops.
No, you stand fast.
Oh, I'm not going nowhere. Oh, wait, time out. Y'all can't detain me out here. I've committed no crime.
You yet?
Oh, so you told me to stand fast.
Ain't nobody detain you, man.
So I can leave, right?
No, you can't leave.
So if I can't leave, that means I'm being detained. Can you articulate the crime?
I'll call you back.
Yeah, call them
Stop
back,
talking
please.
to me, man.
Man, I talk to whoever I want to out here.
What? I'm busy right now.
Yeah, he real busy. And he finna be a whole lot busy at home, jobless, if he don't tell me that I can leave.
Wait, he gotta wait. I'm doing something else real important right now. Just tell the guy to wait.
It ain't that important.
All right.
So you have no jurisdiction over this public easement, and you gonna tell me that I can't stand here? I mean, that I gotta stay here, I can't leave? I think you got your job title all backwards. You're the type of officer that my attorney will have fun with.
Boy, look, I'm at work.
You say I'm lucky you at work?
That's what I said.
Are you threatening me?
I'm not threatening.
Are you threatening me?
I ain't threatening you.
If you that, I'm talking to you. If you that big of a guy,
You ain't talking
take your
to me.
badge off.
You ain't talking to me.
Don't threaten me and tell me that I'm lucky you at work, buddy.
talking to me.
Don't tell me I'm lucky you at
You
work.
ain't talking to me, sir.
Yeah, okay. Cause you barking up the wrong tree.
You ain't talking to me.
Well, I am. I'm talking to you. A hit dog a hollow on it. Yeah. Gonna tell me
You know this guy?
Gonna tell no. He gonna tell me I'm lucky at work because you got a badge and a gun on his hip. Like they the only ones that carry guns, and that dude don't bother me. Call who you gonna call, please. Yeah, I know. I'm free to go, but I kind of want to stand here now because he gonna tell me I'm lucky
Hey,
at
you
work.
upstairs?
I
Command
keep,
up there with you?
like he gonna do something to
Can
me.
both of y'all come to the back of the building ASAP, please? At the back of the employee entrance outside.
This joker
Y'all
here
coming out?
lost his mind.
All right.
Yeah, I know, right?
All right.
He told me I was lucky he at work. That's a threat on my safety. Supreme Court's already ruled that illegal detention and arrest can be and will be resisted. Yeah, so we're gonna continue walking up and down this sidewalk here. I'm gonna slide by you here, brother. Pardon me. I hate to.
Excuse me, sir. Hold on.
Sir, don't touch me. That's an assault.
Excuse me,
Don't let him leave, Bob.
That's an assault. You just put your hands on me.
From the stand place.
That you just put your hands on me. That's an assault. I hope you know that, and I got it on camera. You just put your hands on me unwantedly. That's an assault. I'm going to walk here. If you put your hands on me again, I will defend myself because you have no legal reason to touch me. I've committed no crime. I've broken no law. This is a public easement. I can walk here as long as I want to, okay? Please do not put your hands on me.
This building is not.
That is a legal activity. Read the Constitution. The Supreme Court has already ruled that federal installations.
Right here, and he ain't gonna walk over me.
Okay, well, I'm walking this way.
Yes, but the thing about it, all you have to do is just answer the question.
I don't have to answer
That's
any
it.
questions. The Supreme
If you-
Court
if
does
you
not
doing
say,
the
hey,
federal
answer their questions and you can do what the Constitution says you can do. That's not how this
He gonna
works.
defend himself. I'd like to see that.
You like to see me defend myself?
Yeah, with
Put
all
your
three
hands
of us.
on
Go
me.
ahead, sir.
Put your
I
hands
ain't
on
touching
me.
you.
That's a lawsuit, and I promise you it's
I ain't
ass
touch you,
Put
man.
your hands on me.
You on federal property. We
Which
ask
makes
you to
it
stand
public.
fast
Which is public.
till they get out.
This is public. This is public property.
federal property.
Public. It's federal. Tax funded.
Don't talk.
Are y'all funded through private agencies?
Don't talk. To me.
Okay, then thank you. Don't put your hands on me.
Don't let him by.
Yeah, I'm telling you now. You put
Give
your
me
hand.
your order. Don't let him by.
Oh, so I'm being detained. Am I being detained? Yeah, I'm gonna get his name. His name is Jeffrey. Yeah, that's his name. You saw it. And this officer here put his hands on me, and I got it on camera. It's all going to my attorney. Don't worry about it. All of them gonna be jobless tomorrow. Diversified Protection Corporation, and they think they have jurisdiction on the public sidewalk. This is great here. I want y'all to see this. I'm surrounded. And this guy here told me I'm lucky
Tell
he
him
at
about
work.
had enough of this dude.
Well, you can't be the complainant.
Stop making threats, sir. And stop
I'm
talking
threatening.
about dogs.
I'm threatening.
Talking about
You
somebody
told me
handling
no.
white man.
You told me
Don't
that
talk to
I'm
me.
lucky you at work. I got
talk
that
to
on
me.
camera.
Don't talk to me.
I got that
I don't care
on.
what you got on
Don't
camera.
get
I don't
bad
care
now
who
because
you
your buddy's
talking
walking out here.
I ain't getting bad.
Don't get bad.
I was talking before
You
they came
told
up
me
here.
I'm lucky you at work.
Man,
What does that
don't
mean?
talk to me. Don't talk to me.
What does that mean?
I ain't. I'm not.
Yeah, don't. Because officer,
Hey, Commander.
please. I'm finding a report. He told me I'm lucky he at work.
Listen, this guy up here, Commander, making threats to all these officers.
I got it on camera.
Hold on. He's making threats about what he'll do and talking about we eating out of the hands of the white man that's coming outside.
I got it on camera.
Eating out of the hands of the white man. I don't know who's talking to him. All right.
It's on camera. So everything he's saying, I can back up. This officer told me I'm lucky he at work, and I said, "What does that mean?" And he would not explain what that meant. I told him that he cannot.
So what started the whole thing?
I'm out here filming, doing what the Constitution tells me I can do. And this guy here came out here and told me that I can't film a federal building. I said, "Sir, I'm on a public easement."
You're fine.
Okay, so
you want to film?
So tell them that,
Film.
please, because they told me I couldn't. But this officer right here told me that I'm lucky he's at work, and I said, "What does that mean?" Because the Supreme Court has already ruled that unlawful detention and arrest can and would be resisted. The officer that lost that case. No, I did not. I told him, if you that big of a person, take your badge off and talk to me. He wouldn't do it. But he told me I'm lucky at work, and the officer standing right here, I got it on film. I tried to walk by, he impeded my right of movement right here and put his hands on me. That's an assault. I want to file a complaint.
Oh, they file a complaint right
Yes.
here. This is Columbia, so you're gonna have to file it with Columbia.
Okay, yeah, but that officer there put his hands on me, and I got it on film. And that officer at the back told me I'm lucky he at work. And I asked him, what does that mean?
Can you show it to me?
I'm not stopping my camera because my life's in jeopardy right now. I'm not.
Your life's in jeopardy?
Yes, it is. I had an officer right here threatening my life. This officer here threatening my life told me I'm lucky he's at work.
Recording the police from a public space while they're on duty is 100% legal. They might not love it, but hey, transparency matters. Accountability is crucial in law enforcement. But here's the kicker. Some officers don't like it. They might try to intimidate you, escalate the situation, or even arrest you. Why? What are they afraid of? Or better yet, what are they trying to hide? Remember, your right to record is protected by the First Amendment. Know your rights, exercise them, and stay safe. Because your footage could be the difference between justice and injustice. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment to keep the conversation going, and smash that like and subscribe button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push these videos out for others to enjoy and helps grow the channel. See you on the next one. Peeps out.